This conference will now be recorded.
See, like you might have scenarios where um, you might buy 100 chairs. Okay, I mean, you pay the amount for 100 chairs, but you take 110 chairs with you. Maybe it is buy one, or they have given you free, or okay, it can be anything. But your build stock and the actual stock will be different.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Class, I'm audible. Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is that
Ma'am,
you
you,
heard last?
ma'am, we couldn't hear anything, ma'am. The last.
Okay, actual bill. No.
No, ma'am. You just said us that you don't need to create a new company.
Oh, okay. So,
Ma'am,
I, hmm,
you asked me to remind you that you'll teach purchase exempted again today.
yeah, okay, I'll do that. Purchase exempted. I'll do this topic and then do a purchase exempted. Okay. Okay. So, you might have scenarios where, for example, you purchase 100 chairs, but take 110 chairs with you. Okay. See, like buy one get one if you have, or buy five get one you have. Okay. In that case, your actual, that is whatever the amount you pay for the per stock, is different from the number of stock you take. Is that clear? Your actual bill and your build value. That means your actual stock and the build stock is different. So at that time, in my stock, I will have 110, but the amount I would have paid for 100 only. Is that clear? So in this type, we can create our vouchers. One second, I'll share this. Class, in between you do not hear, please let me know message or a WhatsApp message. There's some problem in my network today, so I've in my Wi-Fi, so I've just put some hotspot. So please let me know if there is problem or you cannot hear me continuously. Then okay, we'll change the mode. Do F11 company features. Everyone, F11. Can you see? Use separate actual and billed quantity columns in the invoice. Okay, do yes. Now you can see in the purchase voucher, you can see two columns there, correct? So go down, Bangalore. Actually, I am purchasing 100, but I am paying. See, it can be both the same. Actual bill and bill quantity may be 100. It is not compulsory that it must be more or less. Okay, but it will appear. So you want to add one, add, you can add, but it appears. It is not that compulsory you must add, even though it will not. See, what it will get added. Actual, I have 100. Actual, I have 110, but I am billing for 100. Did you see? It will take the amount only for the billed quantity. Discount I will give. I'm not giving discount. No, this is not a GST company. I'm showing you again. Do F11. Go to use separate actual and billed quantity to yes. That's all. Go down here. That is why that particular does not come. I am billing for 90. That's all. See in your stock. What was that we purchased? What was that we purchased now? I am
Dell Computer.
Dell computers. Okay. So 99 is there because it was in -1. Okay, that is why 99 numbers is there. Is that clear? 100 numbers was there, but one number was there for the closing stock minus under negative, so 1 got deducted, 99 is remaining. Is that clear? Okay. To everyone, do 3 vouchers of actual and billed quantity. Everyone. Done, class? Done? You're done? Or you want 2 minutes more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so that you got the um, difference, how about the actual bill and the billed quantity? I'll show you the example. Basically, here is what you need to do is you need to create a ledger telling purchase exempted, the purchase account, and what next thing you need to do is this: do here yes to exempt. Oops. This is one more will be here when I create a stock vegetables. Here do that yes exempted. So two ways you will have, either there you can do or you can do it here. It will not come because it is exempted. Is this clear, Aisha? Aisha, it's
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
One second. Did we do GST supplies inclusive of taxes? In the rate only it will take with the tax. Did we do that? Preeti?
Yes, ma'am, we finished that.
Did we do sales exempted? I'll give you a problem right now. I'll give you a problem. Take down. The company provided we did no agricultural services to KK Farms. The company provided. You can see the screen, PowerPoint screen.
Ma'am, we did, ma'am.
Then you saying no. To KK Farms 50,000 and the services exempted from GST.
Ma'am, we can't see your PPT.
Now it's visible. Class, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Practical exercise. Now do this. Anyone who can share the screen and show me this? I'll give you 2 minutes. First, try it. One second, class. Done. What is the entry? Class. I'm audible or not?
You're audible, ma'am.
Hmm. Preeti?
Ma'am, we can have one payment voucher for all, ma'am.
Hmm.
Like we can have ledgers for rent paid, salary paid, and a
Hmm.
furniture account, all of that debited to bank credit.
Okay.
Oh. Another one for the cash.
Hmm. Can you do both in one only? Cash, bank, both we can't. What, Isha? Should I do two payment vouchers for this?
No, ma'am, we can do it in one, no, ma'am.
Yes. So whatever amount is in the check, you give for check. Whatever amount is there in the this you give in. Now, for example, there are vouchers you did for so many days, which were there in the computers, correct? So, I mean, sorry, in the software. So, you used those vouchers and you created. But now you have such transactions where you need to put complete in one voucher only. At that time, you can create your own vouchers or like a point of sale vouchers, like you want immediate one separate voucher for all the kind of transaction in which is very common in your company. So for those kind of things you can create your own vouchers in Tally and you can work with them. Okay, I will show you the path, but I want you to try by yourself. One second. You can see the Tally screen now? No, no.
No, ma'am.
One second. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So you go to Gateway of Tally, go to Create, go to Voucher Type. You give your name here, but it will be, for example, one bank voucher you'll create. It will be under one of the vouchers. So it is not that you are creating new voucher but completely separate. No. For example, when you go to a tailor, you need to give him a stitched, I mean, made cloth, correct? Only then you get your ready-made dress. So in the same way here, using some of the raw material, that is using some of the vouchers which are already there, under that I create one more voucher for my reference. So I mean all my payments will be there in all the bank payments will be there in this voucher. Okay, so that is why that is when we can create these new other vouchers under these particular vouchers. Now how we created group, so group was our main, under that we created all our ledgers. Is that clear? I will give you the points. I want you to try by yourself. Is the PowerPoint visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now? Now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Automation of invoices. The company uses SBI account for all the bank payment. Okay, that they make. it can avoid selecting the bank account ledger every single time a bank payment transaction is made. So that is the reason I'm just giving you this as an example. So that is the reason why we create the type voucher type. So creating a new voucher type and recording transactions in Tally. Do this first. You do this. Keep the method of voucher numbering automatic. Once you're done, let me know. I will change the slide.
Ma'am, in Tally, after method of voucher numbering, everything else remains the same, ma'am.
Correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, 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 am I
Hmm.
audible, ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am, after this, the next slide.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, there's no option as bank payment for type of voucher.
One second.
Yes, ma'am. There's no name as bank payment.
Yes.
Ma'am, they'll have to go to altar, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
1 second. I'll just change the network. I'll be back in a second. 1 second.